Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade or how to replace SSD in HP ElitBook 2560P laptop. So stay tuned. This is ElitBook laptop, so we will upgrade SSD. For that, we will put the laptop down like this. There are two locks here. We will put two locks to both sides. We will pull the back part with hand like this. We will be removed. Here we will see all the part of the laptop. We can remove and change everything from here. There are four screws here. We will remove the screws. Just grab the top part and pull it open. Look like this. The hard disk is installed in a slot. It is secured with four screws. I will remove the screws. We will remove HDD from slot and install SSD. We will take a SSD and install in the slot. Look like this, and tighten the screws. And we will install SSD in the laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.